Hello everyone, welcome to Mom Tuber India. Hope everyone is doing good and you are safe at home. So today we will show some daily activity practice worksheet for kids to keep them busy. So here we're starting with the alphabet tracing for kids. As we know that kids need much practice so that they can achieve neatness. So we have to give them dotted lines and you have to trace W, X, Y, Z. So from here we know that how much kids know that her neatness and everything will be worked out on this. So moving on, the next part is we have given some pictures. Okay, first child has to identify the pictures, that this is a sun, this is a moon, this is a star. After recognizing, he or she has to trace it. So this work will in a two-way. First he has to trace it and he has to recognize it. Coming on the next, there is we have written Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So kid has to say MONDY Monday and he has to trace it like that only. Next is the activity we are showing is the coloring activity. We have made one box and we have filled it with colors. The another side you have seen a box is empty, so kid has to see the color in the first box and has to map it on the another one. So this way it will enhance the reasoning and analytical power of the kid so that he or she can match it or not. Nowadays kids are very smart. We have to work on every field for the kids. So while tracing the colors, we have to see the orange and he has to do that. Next is the next activity which we are coming is we have given some circles and in circles we have put dots. So in first circle, just like I can, for example, I put 10 dots, in second I put 20, 30, 40, 50. So Kyle has to count the dots in the circle and he has to write near that how many dots he or she that how many dots that he and she can see it, and he has to write in that particular box. So from here two things will we can see that counting and his writing. Next is we have given 21 to 30 is the numbers. So first kids will revise to 121 to 222 and he has to trace it. Same manner both things will work. His revision will also done and he or she can trace it. Coming on the next part is the matching the following. Okay, the next is the match the following activity. So in matching the following activities, child had to read one and he has to match the corresponding number. Next, coming on next, we have seen we have come up with the activity that is write before number. So as we know that LKG kids are very good at their counting part. So this activity will be done as in revision for them. For before numbers is to be given. Next is then the activity is the shape pattern matching activities. So here we have given some patterns, so kids have to match it. Next is the CVC words, that is consonant, vowel, consonant. As kids are very familiar with the phonics part till this age, so we have given some pictures and we have written cat, bag, map, gas, rat. So we have all written, so kids have to trace it and you have to write it. So these are at all, I'm ending it here and I'm giving some good worksheets. So stay updated and stay tuned with us for more good worksheets. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you. Bye-bye.